So now let's see how we can work around with syntax highlighter code block inside of wordpress.com right here. So I'm in the editing area, and to work around with syntax highlighter code block, to add code block so that the important parts of the code gets highlighted automatically, you can click on the plus button and type in syntax right here. Then you get access to the syntax highlighter code block. So now you can simply go ahead and paste the code that you have right here. For example, this is a JavaScript code right here, just like this. So now I can select it out right here and get the options right here. But before that, let me just go ahead and see the preview of this block right here. So you can see that this is what I have. I'm going to preview this in new tab. And once I go around over here, you can see the JavaScript code right here. But it does not actually highlight out the important codes. That is because I haven't mentioned that this is JavaScript. So as you add in the code block, you need to go around over here onto the option and mention that it is a JavaScript right here. So once you go ahead and do that, let me just close the preview right here. You can see that it has been set to JavaScript, and now I can go ahead over here onto view and then go to preview in new tab. And now once the code actually loads, you can see that it highlights out the main codes in JavaScript right here because it recognizes that it is JavaScript now. So I can simply go around over here and highlight particular lines as well. So first line number is 1, which is set right here. So you can see that, let's say if I were to drag it onto the left, the first line is 1 itself. I can go ahead and, let's say for example, change the highlighting lines as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to say 1 to 20 right here, just like this, comma, and I'm going to go around and say 25 to 28 right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and do that, now let me just go around and preview it. So if I were to go around and preview this in new tab right here, just like this, then what happens is that it just loads it up right here, just like this. And you can see that now this is not highlighted, but the rest are highlighted just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with syntax highlighter code block right here and change it out according to how you want. If there's an URL, you also have an option to make it clickable so that it is clickable now if any URL is there, and you can also enable edit mode on double click as well. So let's say for example, you can go double click and you can see that you can edit it out in publishing view, as you can see right here. So that is what you have, and this is what you can do. As with any other code blocks, you got other options, like you can go for wide width option, full width option, and let's say align left option right here. You can align it to the center and so forth, just like that. And that is how you can work ahead with the syntax highlighter code block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.